A friend of mine lost all the money in her Momo account, and on top of that, she ended up with a loan debt that she never asked for, but she has to pay. All because she tried using this particular website that I'm about to show you to buy data bundle. And the scary part is that when you get through this particular process, you don't even realize that it's a scam until you have been finally scammed. In a country where there are a lot of websites selling data bundle, I'm going to show you how you can stay smart so you don't fall victims to these things just because you want to be connected to the internet. In this particular video, I'm going to review how exactly it happened, how much she lost, and finally I'm going to show you how to spot scams like these so it never happens to you. Starting with how it actually happened. This friend of mine needed a data bundle top up, and she saw this particular link in a school WhatsApp group. She tapped on this link with the aim of buying data. Now when you get on this particular website, it's going to ask you for the details that you need. Let's say your phone number that you're going to top up on, the payment number, the amount, the network that you are going to use. If you are using MTN, select MTN. If you are using Telecel, you select Telecel, and all that. They're going to ask you for all the details that you normally provide when you are buying the real data. So everything here is well crafted to actually trick you. So after everything, this friend submitted. Now immediately she submitted, somebody sent her a WhatsApp message. Now these scammers are actually watching every submission, so immediately you submit your details, they will just WhatsApp you right after that. So this is how the scammer was trying to play smart here on WhatsApp. As you can see, we requested for data purchase from our site. He said yes please. I thought it was direct, because normally when you buy data, you don't need anyone to WhatsApp you, or you don't need any third party to WhatsApp you before the data goes through. It's direct and everything has to go through perfect. But this process needs somebody to actually execute the process to go through. Like how? You listen to the voice note yourself.
Yeah, I need to subscribe it for you first before they will deduct the money in your account for the data bundle.
Like how? But the friend was like, oh, I will not buy anymore, so you just keep it and then let me go my way. And listen to what he said.
Okay, then I need to cancel it in the system. If not, any agent available might be calling you for subscription.
Like how can you tell me this story? And with this information, you'll be willing for this guy to cancel the order for you, so you'll be free. So through this process, the scammer tried to access her WhatsApp in addition. So aside from the Momo account, they were also trying to access the WhatsApp, but for the WhatsApp, it was not successful. Momo account was successful. So by the time my friend realized she has lost all the money in her Momo account, and these scammers has also requested for the maximum loan amount that she is qualified for. So let's say if you are qualified for quick loan of 1,500, that means they will withdraw all the money in your account and also request for that 1,500 in addition to the amount that you have in your account. You're going to lose all the money in your Momo account, and you will also have a debt to pay. And so let me break it down step by step how these scams actually work and how you can actually detect these scams so you don't be a victim. But before that, can you subscribe to this channel if you find this useful? Thank you. This is how these scams work. When you get on their website, you can see phone number. When you scroll down, you can see drop down. When you select, let's say the network provider, MTN, Telecel, Airtel, Tigo, and all that, select it. When you select it, and then another drop down, that is the amount. So 1 gig for 5 CDs, 3 gig for 10 CDs. Let's scroll down here. You can see payment number. Now after typing the payment number, they will ask you that Momo PIN to approve subscription. Momo PIN to approve subscription. Like how? How can you ask me to submit my Momo PIN here on this website so the subscription will be approved? Like how can you tell me this story? Immediately you type your Momo PIN here and then you submit. It means they now have your number and now have your Momo PIN as well. Now if somebody has your number and then your Momo PIN, they can't really do much with it. So unless they have access to your phone as well, that they can actually do something to you. But these people are very smart enough that when they get your Momo PIN and then your number, they will message you. So that is why they send you a message on WhatsApp, so that they try to communicate with you and try to log in your account on the MTN app at their end. So they will open the MTN app on their phones, and then they will use your number and then your PIN to actually log in. So for my friend, he tried to use like, oh, let me cancel it.
Okay, then I need to cancel it in the system. If not, any agent available might be calling you for subscription.
Send this message to me. So they were like, they have sent her the link that she will use to cancel the transaction. That link was not a link that they sent. It is a link sent to her by my MTN. So it's the my MTN app that sends it, not necessarily the scammer. So my friend copied that message and sent it to them, and they were like, oh, okay, that is not enough. They also needed a 4-digit PIN, and they were like, oh, they have also sent another PIN for you to send. So my friend also sent that PIN in addition, and right after that, that means they have full access to your account. Right now they are able to log in your account on their MTN with their phone, so they can now access any money that you have in your account, and they can do anything with your account. This is an unfortunate incident, but fortunately for her, she did not have a lot of money in her account, so these scammers did not have a lot to take. And in addition, she did not qualify for a higher amount of loan. All that they got was a 40 cedis in her account, and then 100 cedis loan that they added. So in total 140 cedis. So imagine you have like 5,000 in your account, and then you are qualified for like 2,000 loan. That's going to be like 7,000 loss. And so the first thing that you have to do to protect yourself from these scams is that any website that asks you your Momo PIN to approve anything is a scam. Don't input your Momo PIN in any third-party website aside from your service provider. And the second red flag about this particular transaction is that you can see the prices like you saw earlier, 10 gigabytes for 30 cedis. Like, compare it to the one that you've been buying. These prices are too cheap to be true. So that should also tell you that this is a scam. And the third red flag is that never and ever send any message that you receive on your phone to anyone for any reason. So the OTP that the website, the apps, and then the service providers send it to you, it is just for your use. The one-time password, it is a password that is just for your use. So if you see the message that they will send it to you, you see that inside the message it is there that do not share this with anyone. Any OTP that you see from any app or any service provider, it is just for only you. Nobody has to see, because immediately you share that OTP, it means you are sharing some sensitive information with you, and these people are going to use that against. So be very careful and not be sharing all those information around. But most importantly, these scams actually works when we do not really know what to look for. That is why sharing this particular video matters a lot. So share this video with as many people as you can, so you can save them from falling to these scams, because it looks simple but it's not easy to detect that this is a scam. So share this video with as many people as you can to help protect someone before it happens to them. This is BrainTech, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.